Alright, so let's just take a quick dive into XRP, see what's going on here. So pretty much since we came and create this high point here at 1.9, we have been creating lower highs and lower lows, stating that the momentum to the downside is pretty much bearish. So this was a lower high point with respect to this previous one here, and this was the third one, which was lower than the previous two. And also we have been creating lower lows in this region here, another one here. We did wick outside of this channel, however it's still valid since we are creating lower low points. And the momentum of the market totally changed once we got within this region, and we got that pullback here, pretty much like a retest or a double bottom. However, we have created a higher low point with respect to this previous low point here, which changed the entire momentum. And for further confirmation, we start to push to the upside within this channel here, and then we take out this previous high point here, this previous low high point, setting a higher high, totally changing the entire momentum of the market. Now we start to get some rejection, but that rejection should be noted, and it's also healthy that we're actually getting some pullback within this region here, because the more higher up we go without a pullback, then the more violent that pullback will be. And this region right here is where we tend to get some resistance previously back in, I think it was 23rd of May, and also this is kind of the same region in which XRP did found some support. So respecting this region is also good for XRP, and also we are pretty much right on the 38 fib retracement level. However, I do not think that this pullback will actually be a major one. I'm looking for XRP to push to this, at least to this upper trend line, which I think it will actually broken out of to touch this 50% retracement level. Then we might get some another pullback to pretty much retest this level that is acting as a resistance now, and if then we can actually push from that particular region up to the 61 and perhaps taking out this previous one up to the 88. If we get to this particular region, taking out all this previous high point here, then that will set up XRP for a major bull run, or let's say pushing XRP even further to the upside, so we can get beyond that all-time high. And looking at it, XRP did create a low point here, push to the upside and create this second low point here, changing the momentum, a higher low, changing the momentum and continue to upside. In Elliott wave perspective, this would be a 1-2 wave. This could be a 3 wave, but the fact that we have pushed back within the range of that of the 1 wave, I will consider this as a 1-2, a 1-2 for the third wave. And now we're actually going up in the third wave for the actual third wave. So this was the first 1 wave, this was the second wave, and this is the first wave of the third wave. It's a little bit complicated, but in overall we should be pushing even further than this point. And the fact that this is the momentum of the market is basically pushing to the upside, and we are having some consolidation with respect to that momentum. This is also in a sense more of like a bearish flag, so most definitely we are looking for a further push to the upside on XRP. But things can change, the market is a bit tricky, so we still have to get through all of these regions here before saying yes, we are green for gold.